Hello, green thumbs and wellness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of plants, gardening, and natural living. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our green adventures. Today, we're exploring an exciting topic: 10 medicinal plants and flowers that you can easily grow at home, bringing not just beauty to your space, but a treasure trove of health benefits. So, grab your gardening gloves, and let's get started. 1. Aloe vera. First up, aloe vera, the soothing wonder. This succulent is not just easy on the eyes, it's a powerhouse of medicinal properties. Aloe vera gel is perfect for healing burns, cuts, and skin conditions due to its anti-inflammatory and cooling effects. 2. Lavender. Next, we have lavender, the fragrant stress reliever. Not only does it add a splash of color to your home, but its aroma is also known to reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. You can use dried lavender to make tea or sachets that keep your home smelling divine. 3. Peppermint. Third on our list is peppermint. This refreshing herb can easily be grown in pots. It's fantastic for digestion and can relieve headaches. Brew a fresh peppermint tea or inhale its aroma to feel the benefits. 4. Chamomile. Chamomile, with its delicate flowers, is not just for decoration. It's widely recognized for its calming effects, especially in tea form, helping you to relax after a long day. 5. Basil. Basil isn't just a kitchen favorite, it's also medicinal. It has anti-inflammatory properties and can aid in digestion and stress relief. Plus, it's one of the easiest herbs to grow, making it perfect for beginners. 6. Ginger. Ginger is a powerful root that you can grow in containers. It's renowned for its ability to ease nausea, reduce inflammation, and boost the immune system. A slice of fresh ginger in your tea can work wonders. 7. Echinacea. Echinacea is not only beautiful with its vibrant flowers, but also boosts your immune system. Growing echinacea at home means you can make your own teas and tinctures to ward off colds. 8. Lemon balm. Lemon balm, with its citrusy scent, is a joy to grow. It helps reduce anxiety, improve sleep, and ease digestion. You can make a refreshing tea or simply enjoy its lovely aroma in your garden. 9. Calendula. Calendula, with its bright yellow and orange flowers, is not just pretty to look at. It has healing properties for skin ailments and can be used in homemade salves and creams. 10. Rosemary. Last but not least, rosemary. This aromatic herb is not only great for cooking but also promotes hair growth and improves memory. Plus, it's a natural insect repellent for your garden. And there you have it, folks, 10 medicinal plants and flowers you can easily grow at home, each with its own unique benefits. Whether you have a large garden or a small balcony, these plants can thrive in pots, making them perfect for any space. Not only will they brighten up your home, but they'll also provide natural remedies right at your fingertips. Remember, the key to a healthy plant is love and care, so make sure to research the specific needs of each plant you decide to grow. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your experiences or any other medicinal plants you love in the comments below. Subscribe for more content like this, and happy gardening!